With undeniable utility and truly powerful presence, the all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia isn't out to just stand above the crowd. It's coming to take lead. Now powered by the revolutionary iForce Max hybrid powertrain, Sequoia blends incredible capability, smart styling, and cutting-edge technology to provide a next-gen spin on the full-size SUV experience. Let's take a look around and see how this powerhouse is poised to lead the pack, starting under the hood. When it comes to capability, Sequoia delivers across all grades. Whether SR5, Limited, Platinum, Capstone, or TRD Pro, the incredible power of the iForce Max comes standard. This revolutionary hybrid drivetrain provides Sequoia 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That means plenty of power for trips through town, treks across tough terrain, and extra efficiency for extended travels. And Sequoia's all-new 10-speed automatic transmission helps ensure this sweet spot between power and efficiency is easily managed. Plus, this amazing drivetrain helps Sequoia provide a tow rating of up to 9,000 pounds on select grades when it's time to bring more along for the ride. And for those looking to add some extra performance to Sequoia's capability, an available TRD Sport package amps things up on SR5. While the available TRD Off-Road package takes things even further for four-wheel drive SR5 and Limited models. But when it comes to truly maxing out the adventure, whether that's on the road or trail, Sequoia TRD Pro checks all the performance boxes. Building on the TRD Off-Road package's great features, like electronic rear differential lock, multi-terrain select, and crawl control, and adding pro details like a wide stance, Fox shocks, hood vents, and of course, a TRD skid plate. Sequoia's visual story starts with a confident stance and a wide range of exterior design highlights, including standard LED lighting, standard sequential turn signals on Platinum and higher, and all-new 20-inch alloy wheels on Limited. Taking it a step further, the flagship Capstone dons 22-inch alloy wheels and power running boards. And when it's really time to make a statement, TRD Pro comes equipped with a range of visual upgrades to match its capability, including a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with LED light bar and marker lights, dual-tipped single exhaust, TRD roof rack, and TRD badging. While Sequoia's exterior exudes confidence and capability, inside it's all about the driver and passenger experience. This starts with a spacious interior cabin that features standard power folding third row on Limited grades and above, complete with a 6-inch sliding functionality that can increase the available cargo space behind the seats. But Sequoia's interior story is not just about impressive space, it's all the ways that it can be configured. This includes a cargo shelf system that helps customize available space for added flexibility to stack luggage, groceries, or anything else the day may bring. But up in the passenger area, it's all about comfort, thanks to available heated and ventilated front and rear seats. And for an extra touch of refinement, available soft-tex seating helps further this experience. And for those drivers who truly want the top of the line, Sequoia's Capstone grade elevates the interior even further with semi-aniline leather and real walnut interior trim. Beyond comfort and style, Sequoia's cabin is all about smart and sophisticated tech. Inside, the centerpiece here is easy to see. It's the massive available 14-inch touchscreen that features Toyota's latest audio multimedia system. This cutting-edge platform features a range of great new tech, like support for multiple user profiles and wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. The same applies to Android Auto, with wireless connectivity making it simple to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription includes over 165 channels available in cabin. and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And this can all be paired with a premium JBL audio system to make the most of these great services. Naturally, this new system also works seamlessly with Toyota's line of connected services, which include trials to Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. And beyond the audio multimedia platform, Sequoia also offers advanced tech in its fully digital 12.3-inch instrument panel that displays essential information to help keep drivers focused while on the go. And when it comes to standard safety, Sequoia now features Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, an incredibly advanced suite of active safety systems that include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Sequoia also includes standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic braking to help keep an eye on those tough-to-see spots. That's a quick look around the sleek, sophisticated, and plenty capable Sequoia. From its stylish exterior design to its convenient interior appointments, Sequoia provides a premium experience with enough options to be fine-tuned for today's driver. And thanks to the all-new iForce Max, having incredible power and efficiency comes standard. It's also backed by Toyota's legendary long-term value proposition and unbeatable reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Top that off with ownership perks like the Toyota Care Maintenance Plan with roadside assistance, and it becomes clear why Sequoia will be standing taller than the rest for a whole new generation.